Yeah! What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson DCIV, and I can't see shit because the sun is shining, and that's good because it's October and we still have good weather. I'm here with the Foxes today, just in a simple bando. We're gonna wreck shit, let's go.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
Skin the color of bark, clothes smelling like trees, digging my roots and weed, my true